Virus outbreak that started in China and is now spreading throughout the world. Today, the World Health Organization officially announced that this is a global pandemic. We have been in frequent contact with our allies, and we are marshaling the full power of the federal government and the private sector to protect the American people.
To this now closed seafood and meat market, but tests have so far failed to isolate the source.
As of this morning, there have been 571 cases confirmed by the Chinese government, and 17 people are reported to have died of this new strain of respiratory illness.
Died in central China after being infected with a new SARS-like virus.
Our top stories this Thursday. China bans travel from the coronavirus epicenter with at least 17 dead and hundreds infected.
We now have a name for the disease, and it is COVID-19.
We're seeing fresh cases out of the U.S., Germany, France, Iran.
Looking at sending checks to Americans immediately.
The United States is working with our friends and partners around the world to stop the spread of the virus.
There's definitely some fear and uncertainty in the market, especially if you look at what happened overnight with the U.S. overtaking China as the #1 place with the most confirmed cases of coronavirus.
The global death toll, it hits 1 million.
President Trump has tested positive for coronavirus.
I learned a lot about COVID. I learned it by really going to school.
The Delta variant has now spread to more than 80 countries, 80. The world is struggling to control it. The variant, meanwhile, is mutating. So what we have now is called the Delta Plus. It has already spread to at least 9 countries. Our next report tells you why the world needs to watch out for this one.
Mutations have supercharged the virus. The Delta variant drove India's deadly second wave. Now, this mutation has taken another form. It is called the Delta Plus, and it is spreading.